Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. I want to thank Amazon for sponsoring today's video. I'm going to show you real fast what my house looks like, and then we're going to get straight into cleaning. The first place I'm going to start off today is in my beauty room. I had just been in here getting ready, so I had like dirty laundry out. I needed to put my backpack up. For some reason, I think George, my puppy, thinks this is his room, so he always brings all his toys in here. So I'm going to go ahead and get those picked up, and then I'm going to start working on clearing out my vanity. As you can see, I'm just putting everything away in the drawers, and then my tools don't actually fit in either one of those drawers. They're just a little bit too big for it. So I keep them over on my desk because I have some extra space. So I'm just gonna put those away over there. Now I'm gonna do a real quick vacuum of this room, and then we will be finished in here and I can head on to the next space. Now I'm gonna head into my kitchen. It does stay fairly clean, but I will say my island's just a catch-all space, so I'm gonna go ahead and work on getting this cleared off. And then when I come back, I'm gonna go ahead and take my gummies for the day. I recently ordered these elderberry gummies off Amazon, and I'm loving them. They are delicious, and I'm actually a very picky eater when it comes to stuff like this, and it's almost like a little treat. This year, 2020, I'm just trying to be better and be healthier and do things that are better on my body, and so we've just made it a goal to all take gummies every single day. It's also that time of year where we're sick. Savannah is loving her Smarty Pants gummies. I'm not gonna lie, I tried them and they're like eating candy. I wish I could take them every single day. So this is just a good way to get those daily vitamins that your body is needing. So we are definitely making this a daily routine here in our household, and I'm so excited about it. I also wanted to let you know that Amazon is having this awesome event. It's at the Amazon 4-star store in the Americana at the Brand in Glendale on January 31st from 1 to 5 p.m. So this is going to be a resolution focused event, and everything you need to start your new year off right, including giveaways, free samples, activities, and so much more. There's going to be full-size samples of Nature, Bounties, Kellogg's, and Smarty Pants products, and a 2020 mantra gift generator to help set your intentions in this new year. You can get samples of these products at the event or buy them online now, and I'm going to be putting those links down below in my description box, as well as all the information for this amazing event that Amazon's throwing. Don't miss this free event open to the public, available while supplies last. Thanks again to Amazon for sponsoring today's video. So now I'm just working on cleaning my kitchen and getting my countertops clean. I've really been loving using this Thieves spray. I just love the way it makes my house smell. And now that I have my kitchen island clean, I'm going to go ahead and clean my table just because there's crumbs on it from us eating there. Now I'm gonna head into my laundry room and grab my basket full of laundry. I know this looks super full, but thank goodness it's just blankets. I do like to wash our blankets often, especially because they're out on my sofa, and sometimes George is on them. Plus, I feel like when you wash your blankets, it just makes your living room smell so much better if you use like a really good laundry softener. So I'm gonna go ahead and just fold those, put them back on my sofa, and then while I'm at it, I'm gonna go ahead and fluff up my sofa. George has been on it all day and he just like smashes it down because he's so heavy. So I'm gonna work on that now. I've been gaining a lot of new subscribers on here lately, so I wanted to introduce my dogs to you because you guys tend to love them. Tiger is the little one that's a Yorkie Terrier. He's actually a Silkie, but they're very similar to the Yorkie. And then George is our puppy. He's actually like 8 or 9 months old. We got him off Craigslist. We're not exactly sure how old he is, but he is a golden doodle and we love him to death, but he is ornery as ever, and you'll see that throughout this video. So now I'm gonna head into my bedroom. I like to clear off our nightstands every morning just because we keep a lot on it. I normally have chapstick. I always have a bottle of water there. I like to sleep with water next to my bed. Let me know down below in the comments section if you're the same way. And then I always keep my Apple Watch charging there, so I'll put it on right before I make my bed. Making my bed is something I do every single morning. I was raised that way. My mom was raised that way, so it's just kind of born and bred in me. I remember when I first went off to college, I like rebelled and I'm like, I'm not gonna make my bed. And I don't think I did for about 2 weeks. And then before I realized, I was waking up, making my bed and opening my blinds, and I didn't even notice it. So I think it's just something that's been programmed into me, and it really does make me feel better. So I like to do that every single morning. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and put like my decorative pillows on our bed. We have to leave those in our closet at night, otherwise our puppy George will chew off all the little decorative balls on those pillows, and then also the detail on the other one. He is a full puppy, and so we just have to be very careful what we leave out. Okay, and now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this bedroom by vacuuming. I really like to vacuum every morning and then every night before bed. I just like vacuum lines. It's very calming to me. I love walking past rooms and it just being clean for the day, and then I love going to bed with the vacuum lines. So clearly I love vacuuming because of my name on here, but it really is just a calming thing. If you haven't vacuumed before bed or in the morning, I highly suggest you doing it just to see if it changes your mood. It does for me, so just try it out and see what you think. Once I'm finished vacuuming my master bedroom, I'm gonna go ahead and just keep on going and vacuum all my wood floors. I know you guys think I'm crazy that I vacuum twice a day, but my floors get so dirty. I'm gonna show you right here. This is how dirty it gets, and I vacuum twice a day, every day, if not 3 times. Sometimes if I'm at home, I'll go ahead and do it like after lunch. But with 2 puppies and a little girl that runs in and out, these floors just do not stay clean, and they do not hide dirt or dust at all. And so I like to just go ahead and clean them as often as I can. So as you can see, my dogs think it is hilarious to attack me while I'm vacuuming, and it's not so much me, it's my vacuum. The little one has always done this, and then we got George, our puppy, which is the big one, and basically he taught him this habit. So every time I vacuum, they're chasing it and trying to bite it. It's just become so normal that when I first started YouTube, I would always get comments about it, and I didn't even realize that Tiger was doing it, but they're cute. I love them, and so it just doesn't bother me. The closer you get to my back door, the worse my floors get. I wanted to add this close-up shot so you could see how dirty they actually are. Plus, I find stuff like this super satisfying. Let me know if you do down below in the description box, but it's so nice just to see something go from so dirty to so clean. So I like to vacuum my way all the way into the laundry room and get the floors all clean, and then I switch out my tools, I put up my vacuum, and then I bring out my mop. So now I can just get like all the dirt and germs and grime off my floor. So I'm gonna go ahead and just get my mop head wet with water, and then I'm gonna start mopping. Thank you guys so much just for hanging out with me today and watching today's video. If you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe. Definitely comment down below so I can introduce myself. I always answer every one of my comments. And if you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely give it a thumbs up if you guys like these shorter cleaning videos so I know to make more of them. And then thanks again to Amazon for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget, I'm going to have all the links down below to the products that we're using and loving here in our household, as well as the information for the event that they're hosting in California. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!